If you're a first-time homebuyer, you've probably heard about FHA loans, but you might not be entirely sure what they are or what types are available. Today, I'm here to help you understand FHA loans and explore the different options they offer to make homeownership more accessible. What is an FHA loan? An FHA loan is a mortgage insured by the Federal Housing Administration, FHA. These loans are designed to help individuals with lower credit scores or smaller down payments qualify for a mortgage. The FHA doesn't lend money directly but provides insurance to lenders, reducing their risk and encouraging them to offer more flexible terms to borrowers like you. One of the biggest benefits of an FHA loan is the lower down payment requirement. While conventional loans often require a 20% down payment, FHA loans allow you to put down as little as 3.5% of the purchase price. This makes it easier to become a homeowner, especially if you're working with limited savings. Types of FHA loans. Traditional FHA loan. The most common type is the traditional FHA loan, also known as the FHA 203B loan. This is the standard fixed-rate mortgage option that provides flexibility with credit and down payment requirements. It's ideal for those looking to purchase a single-family home or a multi-family property with up to 4 units. FHA 203K rehabilitation loan. If you're interested in purchasing a home that needs repairs or renovations, the FHA 203K loan might be the right choice. This loan allows you to finance both the purchase price of the home and the cost of renovations, all in a single loan. There are 2 versions, the standard 203K for major renovations and the limited 203K for smaller projects. FHA Energy Efficient Mortgage, EEM, for those looking to make energy efficient improvements, the FHA Energy Efficient Mortgage is a great option. This program enables you to finance energy-saving upgrades, such as solar panels or new insulation, along with your home purchase. The goal is to reduce your utility costs and improve the home's energy efficiency. FHA Reverse Mortgage, HECM. If you're a senior homeowner looking to convert your home equity into cash, the FHA Home Equity Conversion Mortgage, HECM, might be right for you. This reverse mortgage allows you to receive payments based on the equity in your home, providing financial flexibility in retirement. In conclusion, FHA loans offer a variety of options to help first-time homebuyers achieve their dream of homeownership. Whether you're looking for a traditional loan, need to finance repairs, want to make energy-efficient upgrades, or are a senior exploring reverse mortgage options, FHA loans provide accessible pathways to owning a home. I hope this overview has given you a clearer understanding of FHA loans and the different types available. If you have any more questions or need assistance with the home buying process, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you find your dream home.